channel. Today I am going to show you some useful MI mobile tricks, and let's get started. First, how to create custom like this photography communication like this. First, click on this icon above and click on the manage app categories and click on custom here and enter category name here. For example, I am typing tutorial, and you need to select any apps like this, and it will be added to the here, just like this. And the second trick is go to themes app and click profile here and click on icons, and you can change these both like this, and if you click on apply, it will be applied successfully and the icons will be changed like this. And the third trick is, and for the third trick, go to your themes app and click on profile and click on themes here and click on limitless, and if you click on OK, it will be applied, and your home screen will be rearranged like this. And the fourth and last trick is, for the fourth trick, do you ever know to change your fonts in your MI mobile? First, go to themes and click on profile and click on click on fonts and search for your favorite font. I am searching cursive, and for example I am choosing this, and some will be free, and if you click on download, it will be downloading just like this. And if you click on apply, it will ask for a reboot. If you click on reboot, it will change your total every font in your mobile. And that's all for this video, and bye bye.